Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to go through what Shopify actually is. Now, a lot of you, I'm sure, have heard about Shopify, but really, what does it offer and how can you use Shopify to your advantage? Let's dive in. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that empowers businesses to create online stores. Shopify provides a user-friendly interface, allowing individuals as well as companies to set up and manage their own online shops efficiently. As you can see over here now, this user interface is extremely friendly. And if we go over to the left-hand side, you can manage everything from your orders. You can create and import products. You can create customer profiles as well as import customer profiles. You can check out all of your analytics, your stats. You even have a marketing channel, and we've got some other stuff that we can get into a little bit later. Now, what does Shopify actually offer you in real terms? Shopify offers a range of features, including customizable website templates. So let's just jump into this store over here. Now, this is the basic template that they offer you, and you can go ahead over here if you go into your online store, and you can really customize what your store looks like and how it feels. Okay, so we can change our current theme, and if we tap on customize over here, we'll be taken to this page, and here you can absolutely customize everything about your store, from colors, texts, styles, the way it functions, the way it's presented, and absolutely everything in between. It also offers inventory management tools, marketing solutions, and it enables businesses of all types and all sizes to sell products online. You can even track your sales, and you can analyze your customer data and optimize your online presence. Now, if that's not enough, we have the Shopify App Store, which you can access from this homepage again by just tapping on apps on the left hand side here, and you will get this app store. Now, the Shopify App Store is a marketplace where you can find a variation of applications, plugins, and so forth to enhance your Shopify store. These apps offer additional functionalities such as accounting tools, maybe email marketing, maybe connecting to other platforms, integrating with other platforms, and social media management apps. This allows you to tailor your experience online and also tailor how your store interacts with your customer. Now, as you can see here, you can browse apps, you can have a look at all of these different types of apps, and all you need to do is go over to the search bar over here and type something in. Just for example, Printify. If you've got a Printify account, you can go ahead and you can actually connect it here. We also have unofficial and third-party apps, so you can actually, just for example, if you want to duplicate your store, there's a Duplify app. Okay, now you can see the developer over here. It's also got a rating, and they are big on security. So all your data is secure, and if the Shopify App Store has the app here, then it's been approved by Shopify. So the last thing we want to talk about, how can you get started with Shopify? Well, if we're going over here to settings, I can access our plan, and from just $1 you can purchase a plan and start your store. You can go and have a look at some of their pricing, and you can start your store, fully customize it yourself, manage it yourself, and build a brand and build a business online. Now, if this guide was helpful, you can go ahead and show your support by dropping us a like just below. And if you enjoy the content that we create, you can subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Peace out.